we are going to see about TypeScript modules. Modules in TypeScript provides a way to organize code in a scalable and reusable manner. They allows you to split your code into multiple files, making it easier to manage and maintain. In modules, exporting and importing. First, we are going to see about exporting from a module. Exporting variables, functions, and class, etc. I am going to show you the syntax. Export let variable name and type. Next, to export function, export function, function name and a method. Next, to export class, export class name and for importing into a model, to import specific exports, for that export variable name, function name, class name, and from where we want to export, we want to give module file name. Like this we want to import. For importing all exports as an object, for that import we want to use star as module name from like this we can import all the exports as an object. Now I will show you the example how we can do. For that, first I am going to create another file, math. Inside that I am going to export function add return x plus y. Next we are going to export function subtract number return x minus y, and then we are going to export const by which is of number equal to 3.14. If I save this And now in main.js, we are importing into a module. For that, import, add, subtract. Now I'm going to console log add of 5 comma 3. Now if I run this, see I am getting 8. Next, console log subtract 10 comma 5. If I save this and if I run, see I am getting 5. Next, console log of 5, see I am getting 3.14. Like this we want to import and export. In the export from the model, we define the function add and subtract and a constant pi in a math.utils.ts module. We export these functions and the constant using the export keyword. Importing into a model, we import the exported functions and constant into the main.ts module using the import keyword. We can then use the imported functions and constant in the main.ts module. Next, we can see about default export. For that, export default function multiply now we are going to import and now I am going to console log. Now if I save this and if I run, see I am getting 20. In this tutorial we have covered how to use modules in TypeScript, including exporting and importing variables, functions and classes. Modules allows you to organize your code into separate files and make it more scalable and maintainable. Thank you.